Have a serious health alert that we want to make sure families know about tonight. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has issued a health advisory about RSV. It says right now cases are rising, particularly here in the South. Health reporter Haley Hernandez here to explain. And Haley, is this uptick happening as people are taking less COVID precautions?
Most doctors say contagious viruses like this are ramping up again after taking a break last year when people were wearing masks and social distancing. While some think it's a good thing that masks and hand washing help drive down infections, one pediatrician says immune systems might have been taking a break too, and now leading to more severe cases of RSV.
Respiratory syncytial virus is a common illness that can infect people of all ages. Sometimes it can even go undiagnosed because symptoms are mild with congestion, runny nose, and cough. But for others, it can be severe, leading to hospitalizations and making up 7% of all deaths in infants. While doctors were happy to see cases in our area almost down to nothing last year, Dr. Morales says health precautions might have contributed to weaker immune systems in those vulnerable to RSV.
Maybe their immune systems weren't getting the practice that they normally would get.
So what can you do about it? Almost nothing, according to Dr. Bonnie Colville, who says you can treat symptoms and that's about it. But she's on a mission to change that. Here in Tomball and in Bel Air, researchers are working on the first ever vaccine for RSV.
This is, really groundbreaking research because I think after seeing COVID, I believe most people would agree with this, that we want to prevent any type of pandemic.
Dr. Colville says they're enrolling adults over 60 in the study for now, and if all goes right, a vaccine for RSV is just a few years away.
That's the ultimate goal here, to help protect the vulnerable populations.
It's a far cry from the vaccine we saw invented and distributed in 1 year with COVID, but this RSV study is a more accurate representation of how slowly science can work. They've been researching the safety of the RSV vaccine for a decade now and are just now moving into phase 3 trials. If you're interested in participating, I've put details on how you can reach the local study on click2houston.com. I'm health reporter Haley Hernandez, KPRC 2 News.